Welcome to Dawn of Cooking, and in this week's video I'm going to be showing you how to make this concentrate that you can drink when you have the cold, you can have the flu or allergies, when all this stuff is running down your throat. It is perfect to give in a jar to someone that you love also. So come along with me in this video and let's get started. The first thing we're going to do is get a whole bulb of ginger and we're going to wash it really good, and then we're going to smash it. Full credit goes to my son-in-law's mother, Angelica, for this recipe, because I think it's so amazing that she gives this out in jars to people when they're sick. So first we're going to take this ginger and put it in our pot and add a half a gallon of water. I'm feeling better already smelling this ginger, so we're gonna let this simmer for like 8 to 10 minutes on the stove and then add some honey and lime. While our ginger is simmering, we'll go ahead and squeeze a few limes. Our limes are rather tiny, so I'm going to go ahead and squeeze 4. This came out to be about a half a cup of lime, so definitely you can add more or less depending on your preference. Honey can also be added to your concentrate. I have 3 jars all made up of the concentrate. Now it's very concentrated, so I would advise mixing half with some green tea or half with water, and they can add more honey if they like. So this would make a really great gift for someone who's maybe not feeling good right now, and you could pack it along with jar and some tea. So thanks for coming along with me in this week's video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Happy cooking.